Hello everyone, my name is Miss B and this
Mr. Jourdán.
And today we are going to be showing you all how to do a mirroring activity. Mirroring is really important and it's a really helpful tool that actors use to focus their minds and their bodies before performing. I hope that you are able to use this technique with someone that you are quarantining with at home. And if you're not, you can always mirror what we are doing in this video for practice. Let's get started. So I'm going to lead first, and then Mr. Jourdán will lead. Our goal in mirroring activities is to make sure that another person who is watching you do mirroring with someone cannot really see who is leading and who is following. So your motions should be seamless. You should be following each other and doing exactly what the other person does. I'm going to start first, and Mr. Jourdán will follow. Are you ready, Mr. Jourdán?
Ready.
Awesome.
If you'd rather chill, we could set the tone. Cuddle on up, we'll massage your toes. You got it, the way that you like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, the way you like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll change time, you can grind, break it down. We don't mind, you vibe on any vibe that you like. We can give you mellow, it's your dime. Bust the windows in your eyes, fine. Let us know what you like. 'Cause we can keep it poppin',
Ready?
You can stay here, you ain't gotta go home tonight. It's about you all night. We can be gentle, bring the calmest flow. Let that beat hit you to the white meat show. It's tight, we'll do whatever you like, yeah. Come on, we'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it. We'll be the cool wheel on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo. What you like, the way you like it, how you like it, like it.
Good.
Great. So I hope you at home were able to follow some of our movements, and now you know exactly how to play this game with other people that you are quarantining with. So I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I can't wait to see you next time. See you later.
Bye.